Okay, this is one of those weeks where you'll hear a lot from me because I have a lot to say. Uh, One simple rule I've learned over time because I've kind of worked across, very interesting, I've worked across media, spirituality, startups, government. In all of these structures, one thing I've learned is if you're somebody who's bright, who's not a cookie cutter, who breaks structures, um, you have to stop taking constructive criticism from people who have constructed nothing in their lives, because all of these four spaces, especially entrepreneurship, uh, startups, spirituality, even media, even government, there's a lot of talk, there is a lot of gyan, and you have to over time just start only looking for people who have built something. People who have built something fail a lot. People who have built something are not, they will not sit there and tell you successful stories. They will not tell you I did this, I did that. They'll sit there saying this is how I failed in this is how I failed in that. You don't do this, because they don't want you to go through the same pain. So I look for those people who have built a lot and failed a lot, and who sit and tell you very, very sweetly, at the cost of their own time and space and energy, that don't do this, you'll fail in this. Those are my favorite people. The other thing that I think constructive feedback to me, what it looks like is people who are willing to experiment with all kinds of things. They kind of realize that it takes a while for you to get to what is it that you want to do. So you may decide, okay, this is the company that I want to run, but it takes a couple of years for that company to get formed. It's like the baby is born, but the baby's personality takes a couple of years to come to fruition. So you have to really experiment a lot with whichever idea you may start with. You never actually end up from where you start. So people who shape it don't ship it, and this is a very common gaming parlance. So if you understand this, right, you will not take criticism from everybody. You will not take it to heart, because a lot of people will give you a lot of gyan. You always have to tilt towards doing. You have to fail. You have to try. You have to experiment. You have to create safe spaces for yourself. Starting with yourself, you have to be your own safe space to begin with, and then everything else follows from there. Trust your instinct. Not everything can be plotted on a spreadsheet. Not everything is linear. Startups by default are non-linear. There is no path. Path is always built later. You build it in hindsight. When you're going through it, when you're trying to solve for practical problems, vision problems, you're trying to create the future from the present and the past, and that is very, very hard, and it requires all your energy, all your emotions, all your heart, more heart and instinct than anything else. First 2 years are all instinctive. There is no logic to it, and anybody who asks for it has never built anything. So don't listen to these talkers who have listened to 5 podcasts and are giving you gyan, which is everybody. Because what you have to understand is this entire TikTok generation or Instagram generation, which has never been challenged intellectually or on work. They just